Remove the test card from the foil pouch. Insert the card into the test card slot of the analyzer. Use the analyzer scanner to scan the QR code on the inner label of the box to import the calibration curve into the analyzer. Verify the item and lot number displayed on the analyzer interface, then click OK. Use a pipette to place 10 microliter of sample into the sample well. Add 90 microliter of the assay buffer into the sample well. Push the test card to the farthest end of the slot. Tap Standard Test on the screen to start the testing. The slip will be printed automatically. Double-click Cloud Printing Client International. Select the serial number. Find test records by filtering the time range. Click Search Refresh. Check the box for the records to be printed. Click Print. Select the hospital name. Fill in the detailed information. Click Print again to generate the report. Click the connected printer to print the report. Click Import to PDF to save it to the computer.